configure in a little bit. Let's do Roundcube, the front end login for the email server. And 5740 Roundcube timestamp for the beginning of the video. Yep. All right, so we're gonna get it. We're gonna install it at its core. We're configure it. Ask your password. Okay, so this is tricky. I used to fail at this, but you don't need the MySQL password here. It causes problems. Alright, we're done. And we're gonna do some Roundcube config real quick. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Usually, you could get into one of these things and literally, where's localhost? You can literally get into one of these and just throw it together. I could have literally just built it from a marketplace or an image, but might as well showcase some skills. Default host, localhost, SMTP server, localhost. Okay. Yep. Port 25. We need 587. We'll change that in a different file. Yeah, let's just continue. Alright, and we're gonna need to make a symbolic, we don't need to make a symbolic link, but I'm from the Squirrel Mail days, back in the day, before all Roundcube and Horde Mail. I always symbolic link mine to Squirrel Mail for the front end endpoint, just for laughs and gigs. But yeah. Let's get ISPconfig in here. Timestamp 5929. 5929 ISPconfig. We're installing it. Timestamp. Alright, let's get into ISP. All the great things I've said about ISPconfig over the past, I don't even know how long, and we're finally getting there. We were just, the last command, we're just gonna make sure that crap patchy is not running. Let's just make sure, you know. We did start Nginx, I remember, on the front of my brain, but last thing you need is it to be done. So, bread and butter. We're going to temp. We're going to tar. We're going to get. And we're going to tar. We're going to go into the install. Okay, temp, install, PHP, install. I need to go to the bathroom, and I will leave you with this pretty screen for 20 seconds. And then we're going to set ISPconfig up. We are going to set up ISPconfig. Whoever's watching this video, y'all should invest in standing desks. It's the little automatic ones that go up and down. Awesome. Never going back. Alright. Here we go. English. I don't want to mess this up because going back in here and changing ISPconfig is a pain in my butt. So I might not be talking so much as I am checking things. Port 3306 standard SQL. Okay. Okay, let me just bada bing. Root password. Alright, we're in there. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna scroll up and copy paste this random password we have. And then Control F back down in this file to find it. Maria database. I keep saying MySQL when it's no SQL. And it's MariaDB. But bear with me. Alright, let me go back. Okay, very careful here. DB ISPconfig, the name of the database, that's fine. For this tutorial, UTF-8, the best Unicode, UTF, whatever compiler it's called, since Unicode is the best thing ever, but UTF-8 is awesome. It reminds me of this video I saw about how awesome, how smart, when you learn Unicode, and it's like when you learn the actual 8 ones and zeros, and how Unicode came and changed the game. It's so efficient. Those guys were geniuses, the Unicode creators. Okay, chart set. So it's configuring postfix to work with ISPconfig, and now we're going to do RSA keys, like before, not talking. Has to be the same as the other ones. Last thing we need is mismatches. We're going to make some certs also later, and we're going to symbolically link a bunch of different services, front-end services to the HTTPSs, all on one cert with the auto-renew crons, but I think it was lowercase cows. We need the fully qualified. Always. H-E-A-L. I'm thinking too much to type fast. Do we XYZ both? Yes. XYZs, man. XYZs. This is making DH params. We're gonna remake them anyway for 4096s because 2048s suck. And I'm dreading that moment because I am way past my time right now on what I expected the back end to take to get up and running. We didn't even touch, well, Node is a one-liner, but we're almost done. The website will be online and we'll explain as we go. We're almost there, we're almost there. Hurry up. I want to get into VS Code. I don't want to do both at once because the timestamps for the video that I'm going to put in for you guys to navigate more efficiently and analyze and find things that you want are going to be I can't put the back end and the front end mixed. There's going to be a front end section with front end components and front end timestamps, yada yada yada. Man, if I have to watch this whole video and do the timestamps again, I'm going to be sad. Oh my god. Oh well. We're gonna have to do a few of these right now. So this is gonna take 2 minutes. If you want to go refill your coffee, or pop another caffeine pill. If you don't like the acidity on your teeth. Gives me a moment to chat about some other stuff, I guess. Let's see what we got here. Oh wait, we're back in there. So it's configuring a lot of these. Port 8080 is what we're going to ISPconfig on in the web URL. Admin password. Okay, we made an admin password. We're going to paste it here. So we have to change it later. And for logging into the ISPconfig admin. And we're going to copy it. It's 256. Okay. Big boy. Big boy. Okay, let's go back. No secure connection. Yes, of course, but give me a second. I'll drink some milk and hit my nicotine. Bear with me. Especially for all the people who think nicotine's bad for your brain when it stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system, autonomic. Don't judge me, bro. Okay, ISPconfig. We're gonna keep going. Yes. I don't remember this pop-up. I never remember this pop-up. IP not found. Oh, it's just the A records. It must have changed. Because we're gonna add the A records later. All the records, the CAA records, the MTA, STS records, the DKIM, the SPF, all the records. We're gonna add them all later. US NC. Because compliance is everything, right? Especially when you're trying to make a scalable, extremely secure, important thing like a server. Company, cows. That's the company name, COW. That's so funny to me. Fully qualified. Okay. My brain is slowing down. I mean, I'm caffeined up, but my brain is slowing down. It was an all-nighter. And we're gonna pull an all-dater. Yeah, baby. My brain's not slowing down that much, but... Okay, Postmaster. Healthy cows. Okay. Symlink them. Symlink all of them. Okay, we're gonna do another 2048. Shouldn't take long. I think the last one was 4096. I mean, it didn't take as long as 4096 usually takes, but this one was 2048 and it was a lot shorter, and the last one was DH params too. Alright, we're installed. Round of applause, you guys. Round of applause. So, we're going to need to install a few more parameters for certbot. Just because things change over the years. I need to go back and concatenate all these into quicker installations, but I've done backend servers so many times in the past, you know, I've stayed up to date with it. I didn't go back and redo my all my files for them, but I mean I've redone the files, yeah, of course, but I haven't concatenated them. Been working a lot on front end and other stuff in life, like my son. Certbot engine X, Python 3. Alright, so the web server is almost ready. Almost ready for an unlimited amount of websites, unlimited amount of connections, unlimited amount of emails, but we'll get to that.